Indian Army, one of the most powerful and largest armies in the world. Not only it is very strategic, intelligent and tactical in operating its exercises, Indian Army has best and strong dedicated regiments in it. Each of these regiments breathe the air of nationalism, patriotism, courage and honor. Each of these regiments has its own history. As defense aspirants, it becomes our prime job to know about various regiments of the army, their mottos and their war cries. Why should we know about the mottos? A motto can replace destructive thinking with healthy self-talk. A motto can help you change a habit. It can remind you of who you are and what you stand for. A motto can jog your conscience, remind you of your values, and even teach character strengths. It can provide a bracing shot of inspiration in calming your mind and increasing your productivity. It can give you encouragement that will help you persist. It is the general motivation or intention of an individual, of that particular regiment also, the family or a social group or an organization. Mottos are usually found predominantly in written form, and in this particular video, not only we are going to discuss about the mottos of the regiments of the Indian Army, we will also discuss what are the war cries of each and every regiment if they exist, and also we will be going to tell you about a brief introduction of that particular regiment. War cries are those magical words that are capable of making even the dead run and can make the weakest of the weak, cause dangerous and terrible attacks on the enemy. As Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw sir has said to us that we have only two options, one to fight and win the war and the other to fight and die in the war. Because you must not forget that even the loved ones do not care for the cowards and the defeated. We will win and we have to win. There is no choice. Hello and welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I am Hemant and now we are going to discuss the first part about the series on the regiments of the Indian Army. Before beginning, I would like to tell you that SSB Crack Exams is India's largest, most preferred online defense exams preparation portal. It is one-stop solution for you if you are preparing for NDA, CDS, AFCAT, INET, Territorial Army and Indian Air Force, Airmen Group X and Group Y examinations. You can follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and even directly visit us through our website learn.ssbcrackexams.com, and even please I request you to download our app from Google Play Store so that you can have each and every defense related information and all sorts of study material that are helpful for you to crack each and every entrance examination in your hand. Before beginning, I would like to start off with the very first motto of the whole of Indian Army. The motto of Indian Army is service before self. Indian Army is one of the strongest and biggest armies of the world, and current chief of Indian Army is General Manoj Mukund Narawane. President is always the supreme commander of Indian Army, and as of now there are 6 major commands in the Indian Army. Amongst all of the regiments of the Indian Army, the first and foremost regiment that I am going to discuss is about the Madras Regiment. The Madras Regiment's motto is Swadharme Nidhanam Shreyaha, which means it is a glory to die doing one's duty. The war cry of Madras Regiment is Veer Madrasi Adikollu Adikollu. In English, it translates to brave Madrasi, strike and kill, strike and kill. The regimental center of Madras Regiment is located at Wellington in Tamil Nadu, and this regiment is active from the year of 1758. Consolidation of the regiment and reaffirmation of versatility and valor of the South Indian troops when the battalions of regiment fought fierce battles during 1947-48 Jammu and Kashmir operations, the 1962 Sino-Indian conflict and Indo-Pak wars of 1965 and 1971. Deployment of as many as 7 battalions of regiment in Sri Lanka during Operation Pavan in 1978 to 89 was a testimony to the faith in the Indian Army and reposed in the loyalty, dedication and valor of the troops of the Madras Regiment. Going through the next and most important regiment of the Indian Army, and that is the Brigade of the Guards. Motto of the Brigade of the Guards is Pehla Hamesha Pehla, that means first, always first. The war cry of the Brigade of the Guards is Garud Kahu Bol Pyare, which means I am the son of Garuda, say oh my friend. Regimental center is at Kamptee in Maharashtra and it is active from the year of 1948. Brigade of the Guards was first raised as All India, All Class Infantry Regiment of the Army, where the troops from all parts of India serve together as opposed to other regiments that recruit from specific regions, ethnic groups or religions. Understand that there are even regiments in Indian Army like Sikh Regiment and all, which always take one particular section of the group into the regiment, but this regiment is completely different. Brigade of the Guards is an all class All India Regiment. Understanding this regiment distinguished itself by being awarded the most number of battle honors after Indian independence. The regiment was brainchild of Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa, who was the first Indian commander-in-chief of the Indian Army. He raised the brigade of the Guards and coined the phrase, the Guards, the elite. Next important regiment that I am going to discuss is about the Mechanized Infantry Regiment. Motto of Mechanized Infantry Regiment is Valor and Faith. The war cry of this regiment is Bolo Bharat Mata Ki Jai, and the regimental center is at Ahmednagar in Maharashtra. It is active from 1971. Mechanized Infantry Regiment is an infantry regiment of the Indian Army comprising 27 battalions dispersed over various armored formations throughout India. It is one of the youngest regiments in the army, and though it was formed as a result of lessons learned in the 1965 Indo-Pak War to give infantry battalions greater mobility, it was the mastermind of late General K. Sundarji who had the foresight to cater the needs of a modern army. Mechanized Infantry Regiment has participated in Operation Pawan in Sri Lanka, Operation Rakshak in Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, Operation Vijay in Jammu and Kashmir too. It also specializes in UN peacekeeping operations in Somalia, Congo, Angola, Sierra Leone. The regiment has its affiliation to INS Gharial of the Indian Navy. Mechanized Infantry Regiment of Indian Army has special distinction of operating even in the high altitude areas of Ladakh and Sikkim. General Sundarji was appointed the first colonel of the Mechanized Infantry Regiment, the post he held till his retirement. Next important regiment that I am going to discuss is about the Rajputana Rifles. The motto of Rajputana Rifles is Veer Bhogya Vasundhara, which literally means that the brave shall inherit the earth. The war cry of Rajputana Rifles is Raja Ramachandra Ki Jai, which means victory to King Ramachandra. Regimental center is located at Delhi Cantonment, and this particular regiment is active from the year of 1775. Rajputana Rifles is oldest rifle regiment and one of the senior most regiments of the Indian Army. Since independence, the regiment has been involved in a number of conflicts against Pakistan, as well as contributing to the custodian force of India and Korea under the aegis of UN in 1953 to 54 and UN mission to Congo in 1962. As a rifle regiment, it uses a bulge horn as its insignia. The Rajputana Rifles Regimental Museum is located in the heart of Delhi in the Rajputana Rifle Center. Museum covers rich history of the regiment in the most modern fashion. Next important regiment is the Rajput Regiment. Rajput Regiment is different from Rajputana Rifles. The motto of Rajput Regiment is Sarvatra Vijay, which means victory everywhere. The war cry of Rajput Regiment is Bolo Bajrang Bali Ki Jai, which means say victory to Lord Hanuman. Regimental center of Rajput Regiment is located at Fatehgarh in Uttar Pradesh, and this regiment is active from the year of 1778. Post-independence, the Rajput Regiment has been able to carry out 1 Paramveer Chakra, 3 Ashoka Chakras, 7 Mahavir Chakras, 15 Kirti Chakras, 66 Veer Chakras, 20 Shaurya Chakras and 313 Sena medals and 8 Yudh Seva medals. Rajput Regiment is an infantry regiment of Indian Army comprising primarily of troops from Rajput and Gurjar community. During the Second World War, the class composition of the regiment was 50% Rajput and 50% Muslim. But now these have changed a lot, and there has been more, and one of the most powerful and decorated regiments of the Indian Army is Rajput Regiment. Now we shall go for the next important regiment of Indian Army, and that is the Dogra Regiment. Motto of Dogra Regiment is Kartavyam Anvatma, which means duty before death. The war cry of Dogra Regiment is Jwala Mata Ki Jai, which means victory to goddess Jwala. Regimental center is at Faizabad in Uttar Pradesh, and this regiment is active from 1877. The Dogras, the inhabitants of Duggar or Dogra land, hail from the Indian states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and the hilly regions of Punjab. Dogra regiment traces its lineage to 1858 when the Agra levy was raised by the British East India Company as a part of British Bengal Army. In 1949, Karan Singh, the son of Maharaja Hari Singh, the last Maharaja of the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir, was appointed the region by its father. He wrote the Dogra regiment's regimental song Dikhi Lai Dogra Desh. This regiment participated in many wars like Indo-Pakistani War of 1947, in 1965 War, 1971 War, Sino-Indian War, Kargil War, and even in UN peacekeeping operations. Next important regiment is about the Sikh regiment. Nishchay kar apni jeet karu is the motto of Sikh regiment, which translates to with determination I will be triumphant. The war cry of Sikh regiment is Jo Bole So Nihal Sat Shri Akal. He who cries God is truth is ever happy. Regimental center is at Ramgarh cantonment in Jharkhand, and the Sikh regiment is active from the year of 1846. Sikh regiment is also an infantry regiment of the Indian Army that recruits from only the Sikh community. It is the most decorated regiment of the Indian Army, and in 1979, the 1st Battalion was the Commonwealth's most decorated battalion with 245 pre-independence and 82 post-independence gallantry awards, when it was transformed into 4th Battalion as Mechanized Infantry Regiment. During the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947 to 1948, the 1st Battalion of this particular regiment was the first unit to be airlifted to Srinagar and to aid in defense of the Kashmir Valley against the Pakistani regular forces. Battalions of Sikh regiment also fought in the Sino-Indian War of 1962, Indo-Pakistani Wars of 1965 and 1971, and even in the Kargil War of 1999. Next important regiment of Indian Army is the Sikh Light Infantry. Sikh Light Infantry has the motto as Dekh Dekh Fateh, which literally means as prosperity in peace and victory in war. The war cry of Sikh Light Infantry Regiment is Jo Bole So Nihal Sat Shri Akal. As far as the same as of the Sikh Regiment of the Indian Army, the translation of the war cry goes as He who cries God is truth is always ever happy. Regimental center is also located at Fatehgarh in Uttar Pradesh, and this regiment is active from 1944. The regiment is successor unit to the 23rd, 32nd and 34th Royal Sikh Pioneers of the British Indian Army. Regiment recruits from the Sikh community of Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana states of India. Versatility of the Sikh Light Infantry has seen the regiment conduct operations from conventional warfare on the Siachen Glacier, the highest battlefield in the world, to counter terrorism. Units of the regiment have also been deployed as a part of United Nations Emergency Force. Motto has a great significance with the 10th Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, with whom the Mazhabi community is very closely associated. The regiment's cap, badge is a chakram or a quoit with a mounted kirpan. Insignia was designed to honor the Mazhabi community's Akali Nihang's ancestry. Next important regiment is about the Jat regiment. The Jat regiment carries its motto as Sanghatan va Veerta, which means unity and valor. War cry of Jat regiment is Jat Balwan Jai Bhagwan, which literally means as the Jat is strong and victory to God. Regimental center is at Bareilly in Uttar Pradesh, and this regiment is active from the year of 1795. Jat regiment is a part of infantry of the Indian Army, of which it is one of the longest serving and most decorated regiments of India. The regiment has won 19 battle honors between 1839 and 1947, and post-independence it has won 5 battle honors, 8 Mahavir Chakras, 8 Kirti Chakras, 32 Shaurya Chakras, 39 Veer Chakras and 170 Sena medals. During its 200-year service history, the regiment has participated in various actions and operations in India and abroad, including the First and Second World Wars too. Following Indian independence from United Kingdom in 1947, the Jat regiment served in the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947 to 48, 1962 in Sino-Indian War, conflicts with Pakistan in 1965 and 1971, and even in the cases with Sri Lanka and Siachen. Next and most important regiment is about the Parachute Regiment. Motto of this regiment is Shatru Jeet, which means the conqueror. War cry is Balidan Param Dharma, which means sacrifice before duty. This regiment is the most important, decorated and respected regiments of all the regiments of Indian Army. The regimental center of Parachute Regiment is located at Bengaluru in Karnataka, and this regiment is active from the year of 1945. This is an airborne forces and special forces regiment of Indian Army. Numerous soldiers of the regiment have been awarded honors for bravery in operations, which include 7 Ashoka Chakras, 11 Kirti Chakras, 13 Kirti Chakras, 7 Param Vishisht Seva medals, 6 Uttam Yudh Seva medals, 13 Ati Vishisht Seva medals, 61 Veer Chakras, 53 Shaurya Chakras, 10 Yudh Seva medals, 28 Vishisht Seva medals and 246 Sena medals, 5 Bar to Sena medal, and mentioned in dispatches would be around 265, and this number might have been increasing and it will increase day by day, year by year. Okay. Next important regiment is about the Punjab regiment. This is the only special regiment where you have a very special motto. Okay, motto of Punjab regiment is Sthal va Jal, which means by land and by sea. War cry of Punjab regiment is Jo Bole So Nihal Sat Shri Akal, which also include like Bol Jwala Mata Ki Jai, which even translates to say victory to Goddess Jwala. Regimental center is located at Ramgarh cantonment in Jharkhand, and this regiment is active from the year of 1757. During the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971, a company of the 23rd Battalion of Punjab Regiment consisting of about 120 soldiers under the command of Major Kuldeep Singh Chandpuri fought off an assault by a brigade of the Pakistani army. Battle was fought at the desert border post of Longewala in Rajasthan. Unit fought during last 5 hours of the night of 5th of December 1971, unsupported as the Indian Air Force aircraft at the time did not have night attack capabilities. For his leadership during the battle, Major Chandpuri was decorated with Mahavir Chakra, the second highest gallantry award in India. The regiment is perhaps the only infantry regiment with naval galley as an insignia anywhere. It was awarded the 69th Punjabis in recognition of their readiness to serve overseas after the battalion had fought in 8 overseas campaigns by 1824. Post-independence battle honors include the Zojila, Ichogil, Dograi, Barki, Kalidhar, Bedori, Nangi Tekri, Brachil Pass, Launjewala, Garipur, Chakamaru and Jessore. All of these are those areas which are those important battle honors which are being received by capturing these particular places. There will be many more regiments which I will be discussing with you in the next coming up parts. I will be very much happy if you take at least one motto among all of these regiments and work upon to improve your personality in a way that you soon serve the armed forces. Bearing arms for one's own country is the highest responsibility ever. So, how's the Josh?